So okay, here we are. We're ready to face the next Elite Four member, Bruno. He has a fighting type Pokemon and 2 Onixes. For some reason he doesn't have only fighting type Pokemon. Okay, I lead with Slowbro. I go for the Surf. He goes for the Dig. Now I go for the Zen Headbutt and Hitmonchan is down. Next one is Hitmonchan. He will go for the Thunder Punch, I guess. Yes, and I go for the Earth Power, which will 2KO Hitmonchan. I go for the second Earth Power and Hitmonchan is down. Now he sends out Onix. I go for another Earth Power and Onix is down. Next one is Hitmonlee. I will switch out to Slowbro again. He goes for the Blaze Kick. And Swagger, of course. That's very good. He increased my attack with the Swagger, and Slowbro cannot be confused. Machamp now, he gets 2 flinches on a row. I go for the Slack Off. Okay, now Zen Headbutt. It doesn't Machamp down, and Bruno has been defeated. On our next episode we're about to defeat Keren.